Okay, today's video is going to be about AMAT, and this is my trade of the week that went bust. Okay, it's going to happen if it doesn't hold what it's supposed to hold, GTFO, and then look at it again. So in this case, we did have some, I'm not sure if I had some timing, but I know I had some key price support here. We did start to see a rally. We're clearly above the 200 simple moving average, and I believe at that time we were also above the 50, and the 5 and 13 were in a buy mode. So if anything, I did want to look at the buy side with the max risk underneath that last low. Well, you know what? It just didn't hold. Okay, instead it rallied for like one more day, just slightly. It couldn't clear the hurdles on the way up, and it failed miserably. Okay, so what do I do now? Well, I look at new levels. Now, as far as the new levels are concerned, there have not been any new renewed buy triggers against it. So you don't have a reason to have an entry just yet for a swing trade. But I will be watching these areas. Now, we have a 100% projection of a prior decline that overlaps a couple of that overlaps a couple of price extensions, a 1272 and a 1618. So that's one area that you can watch for a possible bounce and entry. And then the other area comes in below that at 47.92 to 48.83. But realize that this has to be looked at as a new trade setup. And let me show you the what a trigger chart would look like. So typically, if you're going to look at it for a swing trade, you want to see either the aggressive swing trade trigger fire off, which would be on the 15-minute chart, but we haven't seen that yet. We haven't had the moving average crossover, along with taking out a prior swing high. So we need to see both of those things before you take the aggressive swing trade trigger signal. And on the 30-minute chart, yeah, we're nowhere near getting a signal for a buy against the new zone. So remember, the way that you make money with this work is setup plus trigger equals trade entry, and then you manage it. But you also have to remember that if you have a setup and it blows through the zone that it's supposed to hold, get the heck out.